everyone. I'm starting today's video in my car, which I never do. Today's gonna be a bit of a fun video. I'm at Birmingham today for the crafting trade show at Birmingham NEC. So yeah, I'm going to see what's coming in new in sewing, what people are going to be, what's arriving basically. So that'll be quite cool to kind of vlog it, and then you guys can see what I'm seeing basically, because it's only open to businesses and in trade. So yeah, so some crafting people won't be able to come, so I thought it'd be cool to vlog it basically. So yeah, I'm sitting in the car waiting to go in. I've done the journey from London to Birmingham this morning. Took about 2 hours. I left really early, so it's been in the car, sorting my makeup out, and I need to sort out my hair. Yeah, so I missed the traffic. But anyway, that's today. I'm going to walk around, show you some stalls, chat to some people, see what's new in sewing, and just see what it's about basically. So yeah, that's today's video. If you like these type of videos and enjoy sewing, then check out my other sewing videos. I normally do sewing videos. And yeah, and make sure you like and subscribe. So let's go to the sewing trade show. Hiya, just waiting to go in. I've got my pass, my name on, and I'm a content creator. So yeah, just waiting outside for it to open. So yeah, can't wait to get seeing all the lovely new crafting stuff. So I've just got in. There's so many stalls. Maybe I'll just do a walk around and share what I see basically. We've got lots of fabric suppliers, we have lots of button suppliers, lots of lovely people. So I think I'll just sort of walk around and share with you what there is. It's really exciting, and then some talks as well. I want to have a look. I think there's a talk on social media at 11, which I might catch. We'll see how the day goes. But yeah, there's talks all the way through as well. Yeah, really interesting stuff. It's always great to see what's up, what's coming new, and those sort of things to share with you. So here we go, have a little walk around with me. Also, I just realised I'm smiling under my mask and you can't see it. So I've just stopped by Dukey, and they've got all the sewing machines, overlockers, everything. I want to go and have a look at the industrial sewing machines. But you can come and try them out, and it all looks great. I'm gonna head over to, let's have a look at the industrials we've got here. Oh, the dream to have an industrial next would be fabulous. Have a industrial and a domestic would be lovely. Mine's pretty heavyweight though, but a lovely industrial would be great. Wow, look how lovely that fabric is. Where is this? Crafty. How beautiful. I like a coat out of that would be absolutely stunning. This is lovely. This is my colour palette. As we know, I love a grey colour palette, but this is beautiful as well. Look at the work on that. It's absolutely stunning. Yeah, so many lovely fabrics here that are all new and coming to the sewing industry, which is really interesting because it's always nice to see what is coming up and what will be new, and just interesting to give you more inspiration on what to make. So yeah, it's got some really lovely stands different fabric suppliers here. Yeah, really exciting to go and have a look around. I've already got a exciting project from this company about making lampshades out of your scrap fabrics, which is a really cool idea, I think. Really sustainable, can really use up all your fabric scraps, so that's exciting. I can't wait to give that a go and yeah, let you know. So yeah, I'm gonna keep on walking around. If I see anything, I'll just put all clips of interesting things I find. We still have some lovely fabrics. Here are they. These are Perfect Occasion Fabric Freedom. They've got a big stand. Lots of English bunting. We've got some more fabric. Oh, that's exciting in the middle there, isn't it? Lovely fabrics. Lots of, I've seen lots of children's fabrics so far at the show. There's been a lot. I look down here, obviously because we're at a trade fair, we have more wholesales. So these are people who wholesale to the smaller companies. So you can see, it's really interesting to see. It's really interesting to see what wholesale sells to smaller companies. Because obviously we see a lot of similar fabrics in these smaller fabric shops. So it's quite interesting to see them all together and who actually supplies it. I find that really interesting anyway. So yes, doing some lovely talking to people. Yeah, getting to know people on social media and their Instagrams, which is really helpful for, you know, doing YouTube and Instagram, because I can share more people with you, more interesting shares for you guys, and more interesting content overall. There's a lot of knitting and crocheting, which isn't my thing, but I think I might go and have a chat with people and learn about it, because why not, basically. We have in the middle here, we have a tree, which is really cool, and it's talking about sustainability and all different people who are here. Over here we're talking about sustainability, which is obviously really important. One of the talks are on sustainability, but I think I've missed it already. There's a little talk area. If you're a business in the fashion or sewing industry, it's definitely a great show to check out. Just interesting, and the networking ability is really good as well. Lots of wool here. Who's this? This is King Cole. Lots of wool, and oh, lots of lovely buttons. Buttons are really hard to find good buttons, aren't there? Just spoken to the lovely people at, are they called Dennett here. I'll just show the background here. Yeah, they make kits to make your own lights and lampshades, which is a really cool idea, I think, because it's really, like, it uses up scraps of fabric, it's sustainable, and it's just nice to have like something that you make. It's like a really nice little craft project. So they've given me a lampshade to have a go, so I'm going to have a look at that. When I get home I'll share what it looks like in the kit and everything, but I think it'd be really interesting to share, so look out for that on my Instagram. Yeah, I'll see how it goes, because I really need a new lampshade, so it's quite handy, and I got loads of scrap fabrics that I like, so yeah, my sewing room might have a new lampshade. But I'll just walk down and I'll show you what I'm talking about, because they got some really cool examples, some really interesting examples of how their kits are made and with interesting fabrics. So yeah. There you go, look, there's their kits. So yeah, so got me inspired of making my own lampshade with my kit that they've kindly gifted to me. Yeah, so I'll link it down below. I'll show you the kit when I get home, and I'll link it down below if you're interested. And then of course it'll be on my Instagram when I make it, which will be fun. Oh, walking into someone, vlogging in public. Here we've got Search Press, and Search Press do like such great crafting books. So if you don't know about Search Press, they literally do a book on everything. So yeah, definitely worth checking Search Press out. I'll just like show you they've got some samples and stuff out, so I'll just turn the camera around and we can have a look at what they are doing and what's coming, new releases. I've been given a brochure, so when we get home I will go through that as well. But yeah, I'll turn the camera around and let's see. Oh my goodness. Look at that, cat knits. Shame I don't knit, otherwise I'd be all over that book. That looks a lovely book. So I've just come to Fabric Godmother. She's got some great fabrics. She's definitely one to watch her lives on Instagram, because she shares what fabrics are coming in, and she's got some really lovely ones. These are wholesale, but they're coming to retail site as well, so I'll link her website below basically as well. So I'll show you through some of these lovely fabrics that she's got coming. Right, so we've got some lovely ones. These are beautiful. We've got some florals, and these are all, I think, her own designs. Like, how lovely is that? Pink and green. I think a lovely dress. I think I've seen that on the website actually. We've got some florals. Got some tie-dye, and we have some florals which are lovely. These are beautiful. Also got some of these. That's absolutely stunning print as well. Look how lovely that is. Really beautiful. Whoa, God. It started to rain. Walking from the NEC to the car park, hence why the hair's gone up. Now back in my car. Oh, my new car. Got a new car, by the way. Yeah, it was a really great show. I would definitely recommend it if you're in the sewing industry. Great networking potential, definitely get to see what's coming. And a lot of people here who I speak to and work with on Instagram, I've actually seen in real life. So it's lovely, it's really nice. So it's about, I think it's about 2 o'clock. I did a good few laps around, seeing everything. I didn't watch too many talks. I started watching one of the social media ones, but then it was kind of the stuff that I kind of know, because obviously I work on social media. I thought it was gonna be more data based stuff, but really interesting if you want to learn about social media. Really interesting. So yeah, so I am in Birmingham now. I'm heading back down to London, so that's going to take me about a couple of hours. Hopefully the traffic's not too bad. Yeah, when I get home I'll quickly show you what I got.